po ako. Nais ko pong reklamo kasi nawawala po ang aking po. At may dala pa akong dokumento dito. Baka matukoy po sana kung nasaan ang aking po.
Kailan ba ito nawala?
Ayun lang po ma'am.
Walang problema sir. Magkakandak kami kaagad ng checkpoint para mahanap kaagad namin yung motor mong nawawala.
Maraming salamat po ma'am.
Sir, tatawagan ko na lang po namin kung ano ang update.
Sige po ma'am. Maraming salamat po.
Magandang hapon sir. Sa'yo ba itong motor na to sir?
Oo nga, sabi.
Kakandak lang kami ng checkpoint kasi meron kasi na may nawalan ng motor.
Sige, sige. Sige, sige.
Mari mo bang ipakita ang mga dokumento ng motor mo sir?
Ma'am, hindi pa napaprocess yung dokumento na motor na ito, ma'am.
Sir, maaari bang i-check itong motor mo, sir? Pwede bang bumaba ka sa git lang, sir? Para tignan namin yung usap mo.
conducted by our team in response to Mr. Caballo's report of his motorcycle being stolen at Boys Dormitory yielded significant findings based on Mr. Caballo's description of the culprit wearing a black ripped shirt could be linked to a person who worked in a construction. Our team focused on searching the area and identified a vehicle matching the description provided. The identified vehicle was a black and white SRM motorcycle with a carbon chair that exhibits some cuts similar to the one reported missing by Mr. Caballes. To further verify the identity of the vehicle, our team followed a systematic procedure. Initially, we requested a copy of the official receipt and a certificate of registration from the owner of the vehicle. Upon locating the vehicle, we proceeded to extract the engine and chassis numbers using a hydrochloric acid solution to ensure clarity. By employing carbon paper and scotch tape, we successfully obtained the chassis and engine numbers, which were then transferred onto Oslo paper for examination. Our thorough inspection confirmed that the chassis number and the engine number were intact and had not been tampered with.
In conclusion, our investigation established that the vehicle found in the vicinity of construction working site matched the description provided by Mr. Caballes regarding this stolen motorcycle. The examination of the chassis and engine numbers revealed signs of a tampering, confirming the authenticity of the vehicle. This conclusion evidence supports the connection between the reported stolen vehicles and the one recovered, validating the accuracy of our investigation and identification process. Furthermore, marker etching using stencils is a technique employed to extract the engine and chassis number of a vehicle. This method plays a vital role in verifying the vehicle's identity, especially in cases involving ownership disputes, by carefully examining official documents such as registration and certificates. Investigation can gain access to initial information such as vehicles, description, color, body type, plate number, engine, and chassis number. This knowledge proves individual in investigation related to stolen vehicles and other criminal activities involving the motor vehicles.